Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing something that's not a makeup tutorial. Today I am trying, for the first time, on camera, a face halo. So I saw ShanXO do a video about these, feels like forever ago. Mine just came in the mail today, so I decided that I should try them out. Ooh, okay. I will link down below where I purchased these from. I got a pack of 3 here. Oh, really easy. Just add water, remove makeup, wash, and reuse. So here's my plan for this. I'm going to go get this wet. I'm going to do one half of my face using a face halo and then the other side using a makeup wipe. And then once I've done both sides, I'm going to come back and take a makeup wipe, a new clean makeup wipe on both sides of my face to see which one, after just one regular swipe like this claims to do, leaves more makeup behind. I'll do my eye makeup afterwards, as well start with the face makeup and see how much of a difference it makes with that before I try out the eyes, because this cut crease and this wing liner might take a bit to get off. So, give me 2 seconds to wet this face halo and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I'm going to take one of these Neutrogena Night Calming Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes, and I'm gonna remove my face makeup on, go with this side of my face today, why not? I don't know why, just, you know, decided I'm gonna leave the package right there so that I don't, you know, mix up which side is which. So, okay, let me just, now it says it's supposed to do, the face halo is just supposed to be one gentle, you know, wiping motion. I do not know why I'm doing this so ridiculously slowly, but it kind of makes me okay. Makes me happy. So, as you can see, I have the one side of my makeup gone now. I'm going to go in with the face halo. Now, according to the instructions, it says warm or cold water. I went in with warm. Loosens your makeup, allowing the Halo Tech fiber strands to reach deep into your pores to remove and trap makeup. No need to rub or scrub. Just wet and gently wipe off your makeup. For heavier eye makeup, rehydrate your face halo well with water and hold it on for an extra 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm going to do that in a second, but let's see. Okay, let me do under my eye really quick. Yep. Okay, so right here, right now, without a mirror, just using my viewfinder, it almost looks like I got more off with the makeup. Oh, let's do the correct side of it, shall we? This looks like it got more off, but that might just be because this is a cloth. It looks more pigmented. This kind of, it doesn't stay soaking wet. I will say that. I thought it would, but it doesn't. I will say this, touching my face with the back of my hand, this side feels a lot more dried out, for lack of a better word. So let's go back in with the makeup wipe. I'm going to take off my brows and my eye makeup the way I normally would if I was using just a makeup wipe. I'm not taking into an account here any cleansing oils, just because you wouldn't use a cleansing oil in conjunction with the face halo. Why would you right now? For how it's gone. This is my least favorite part. Trying to get wing liner. I had false lashes on, so I've got glue. I don't know if the face halo will be able to take off glue, but no, it's worth checking. I have to do my eyelashes individually, otherwise it will not get all the mascara off. Now, it said for this that you can technically re-wet it. I'm going to try not re-wetting it because it's still pretty, still a decent amount of water coming off, so it just says to hold and then remove. Try to like contour it to my eye. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that's pretty impressive in my book. I think I need to use the other side. I'm trying not to like get this little tag, so let's keep going with the other side that I had been using. And again, I didn't re-wet this, maybe I should have. Let's just see the finished product of one side of my face. Kind of looks like a little kid did some artwork with this. And now let's just look at the face halo. These are reusable, so I'm not gonna throw this in the trash. This side feels like it has stuff on it, just like touching my bare hand to it. But here's what the face halo is looking like right now. So obviously the eye makeup side. I feel like the wing liner was a little bit of a struggle, but that might have been the lash glue. Like I said, it doesn't mention anything about lash glue in the instructions. So let's see, let's go in with this guy back over this side of my face. I'm gonna do the entire side of my face. I'm gonna like, well, there's definitely still face makeup. Okay guys, so here is the left side of my face. As you can see, there was still some lipstick that was left, some foundation, a little bit of bronzer. I mean, it did not get all of it off. So I'm gonna set that to the side, pull out another makeup wipe. Ooh, almost knocked that over. And now we're gonna go in the exact same way on this side. Ooh, I got that right up in there. Okay, so, okay, wow. I'm going to just do this. There's just a tiny bit like right up in here and a little bit up here, but compared to the side with the makeup wipe, this looks way better than this. So I'm calling the face halo a success right now. So right now, at this point in time, I personally am gonna say that the face halo is definitely living up to its reputation, and yeah, I don't know. I also feel, now this may just be me and me looking at myself on camera, that my redness on this side is not nearly as bad as it usually is, that I don't feel like there's this weird film over this side of my face. It just feels nice and freshly cleansed. This side feels a little bit sticky, like there's a residue, and it's a lot more red than, well, now this side is red because I touched all over it. I'd say, yeah, this is worth it. This is good. Oh, I skipped an entire patch on my nose. Well, F me. You know what? You know what? I'm calling it a success. I think the face halo is worth it. I do not remember how much I paid for it. I do know you can buy them in sets of 3, but I don't know. I do not know. You can go to www.facehalo.com. So yeah, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you know, thumbs up. Thumbs ups are helpful. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and if you want to make sure you're not missing any videos, definitely hit the notification bell. That way you are notified the very second a video goes live on my channel for you guys. And what else? Oh, leave your questions, comments, concerns, suggestions for this video and future videos that you want to see on my channel. I love reading your comments. I love finding out what you guys want to see. I think that's it, right? So I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!